Welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we are going to learn how to download Eswatini banking application on your device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to the internet. After that, find App Store on your device if you are an iOS user, or find Play Store on your device if you are an Android user, and open it. Now at the search bar type in Eswatini and then click search. Scroll down a little bit until you find this application and click on it. Now click on Get button. You need to verify using your Face ID, fingerprint or an passcode. After the verification is done, your download will be started shortly. When the download is completed, click on Open to use the application. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries. Thank you.